I just finished doing some rewiring on my 1947 Ford 2N tractor. And what I did, it's got LED lights on the back, work lights and tail lights, and also it's got headlights, LED headlights in the front. Barely draws any power. But I never really liked how the wiring went across the top of the axle here on both sides. So I used this braided water line here. I just had some extra links of these are 20-inch. And I just kept the fittings on there and everything, and just fished the wires through there. And used some brass shim stock to make some hold down clamps. You can see right there. And on the back side here, I just X'd it, zip tie X patterned it, and I sealed it up with silicone. So the wiring's fairly concealed. It comes up through here and into here. You can see it in there, but that's okay. But on the top, I never really liked how the wiring was across the top here, and you could snag your foot on it or something. But now it's tucked in along the side. I've got another clamp here on this one. Got a 47 Ford 2N tractor here, and I just did some rewiring on the tail lights and the work lights in the back. I never liked how the wires went across the axle here. So I found this braided rubber water line that's for a sink. I just happen to have some. And so I made up these brackets here using some brass shim stock like this. So it's held on right here. And it'll keep you from, you can step on the axle or step across it. You won't get hung up in it. And I've got one over here on that side too. And it just makes it, protects the wiring and keeps it kind of neat. So I've got a work light and a tail light on both sides here.